Starting a box truck business can be your ticket to independence and profitability. Whether you're looking to deliver goods, move furniture, or provide other transport services, this venture offers flexibility and potential for growth. But like any business, it comes with its challenges. First off, let's talk about why a box truck business is a great idea. Box trucks are versatile. They can be used for a variety of services, from retail deliveries to moving services. Their size makes them perfect for navigating urban areas while still carrying a decent load. Plus, the overhead costs are generally lower than those of larger trucks. Now, before you jump in, you need a plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, target market, and financial projections. It will guide your decisions and help secure financing if needed. Remember, it's not just about owning a truck. It's about building a sustainable business model. Next, you'll need to consider the legal side. Operating a box truck business involves regulations you must follow. You'll need to register your business and get the necessary permits. This includes obtaining a commercial driver's license if your truck is over a certain weight. Regulations can be complex, so this is where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. We are the top online service provider for the transportation industry, helping you navigate FMCSA registration compliance with ease. Insurance is also a must. It protects your business from unforeseen events, which can be costly. Look for coverage that includes liability, cargo, and physical damage. It's crucial to compare policies to find the best fit for your needs. Marketing your services is key to attracting clients. Build a strong online presence with a user-friendly website and active social media profiles. Networking with local businesses and joining industry associations can also open doors to new opportunities. Let's not forget about maintenance. Regular upkeep of your box truck is essential for safety and reliability. Scheduled maintenance checks can prevent breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your vehicle, saving you money in the long run. Finally, keep an eye on your finances. Track your income and expenses closely. This will help you manage cash flow and identify areas where you can cut costs. A good accounting system is invaluable for keeping your business profitable. In conclusion, a box truck business can be a rewarding venture if done right. From planning to execution, each step is crucial. And remember, for all your compliance needs, visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for watching. See you next time.